Hi and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we shall understand how to add and configure bar graphs for your submissions. A bar graph presents data with rectangular bars with heights or lengths proportional to the values that they represent. Bar graphs provide visual presentation of data which can be categorized into groups. The categories appear along the horizontal axis. The height of the bar corresponds to the value of each category. What you're looking at is a stock check t-shirt application. Basically, it has details of the t-shirt type, store, brand, size, and price of the t-shirt. And these are the submissions that it has. This view of the data is difficult to interpret, and hence charts would be much more useful to understand data and interpret the data. And you can see here that I have added a bar graph for this particular application. Let me go ahead and click on Edit App. Once I do so, I would have Analytics as the fourth option. I'm going to delete these bar graph at this moment. Now, let me add the bar graph back into the application. On the right panel, we could name the chart. I could provide a label to the x-axis. And for the y-axis also. The next option I see is aggregation. At this moment, I'm going to click on count, and I'm going to choose the dimension for the x-axis. Let me go ahead with t-shirt type and click on save. And you can see that the graph is ready. As in, when you keep uploading data into the application, this graph is going to change automatically. So this graph basically tells me that there is 24 t-shirts of size L and 20 t-shirts of size S, 13 of XL, and 12 of XXL. Let's look at the other options that we have under aggregation. Apart from count, the other options are dependent on numerical values. Count simply counts the total entries of L type and S type and XL type and XXL type. When we go for sum, it is adding numerical values, and hence I need to choose, let's say, price. And now you can see that it's adding up all the prices. On the y-axis, it's actually displaying the sum of all the t-shirt values. And I could also go for minimum. So now it's displaying the minimum value of L type t-shirt or L size t-shirt, the minimum value of small size t-shirt, and the minimum value for the largest size, which is XXL type. I could also choose the maximum or choose the average. At this moment, I'm going to click on count and click on save. Now let's go back and look at the application and see how exactly the graph looks. So for you to access the graph, you need to click on submissions. And once you do so, you would have the tab analytics. Click on that, please. And now you can see the graph that you configured. If you want to, you can add filters to this. What it's doing right now is to display the count of t-shirts from brand 1 of different sizes. I'm going to remove these filters. Great. That's how we can add a bar graph into the application. What we can also do is to create a stacked bar graph by using the option additional dimensions. Let's say I'm choosing brand and I click on save. It has created a stacked bar graph wherein each column is showing the size, and under each column I have different brands. A stacked bar graph uses bars to show comparisons between categories of data, but with the ability to break down and compare parts of a whole. So in here I can quickly compare and see that brand 5 has 6 t-shirts of size L and 6 t-shirts of size S, 3 of XL and none of XXL. So I'm going to click on save for this, and let's go back and look at this graph by clicking on submissions and clicking on analytics, and there you go. Here too you can add filters if you choose to. Click on apply. So now you can see that it's showing me details only from brand 5. Likewise, I could change this to brand 1 and it would show me details of brand 1 alone. If I remove the filters, it would show me details of all the brands. So that's it for this video. In this video, we have understood how to add a bar graph into your application through Analytics tab. We have also understood the uses of bar graph, and we have also looked at stacked bar graph and how to configure the same. Also, we have looked at how to filter data using the option given under graphs. Thank you very much for your patience. If you have any further questions, you can always chat with us, or you can schedule a call and we will call you back to help you further. Thank you for your patience. Goodbye.